The Morgan EV3 is set to start creation not long from now. The three-wheeled auto bike is the principal electric vehicle from Morgan. While grown-ups are certain to appreciate the EV3's 1,100 pounds control weight and 7-second 0 to 60 miles per hour time, the British automaker has something in store for more youthful and yearning Morgan proprietors, the new EV3 Junior. The EV3 Junior looks relatively indistinguishable to the standard model that appeared at the Geneva Motor Show. For fear that you think this is some overrated Power Wheels, the EV3 Junior is hand-fabricated and includes carbon fiber bodywork, a wooden dashboard and hand-sewed cowhide on the inside. There are 3 standard hues: Sport Red, Sport Green or Sport Ivory, and 40,000 discretionary hues. It has a best speed of 10 miles per hour, both forward and in switch, and has a scope of around 10 miles. The battery can be completely charged in only 4 hours. At the present rates, the Junior keeps running about $9,200 in the UK. The EV3 Junior can be bought on the web or from either a Morgan merchant or the organization's manufacturing plant in Malvern Link, UK.